What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be making grilled shrimp tostadas with guacamole and pico de gallo. A quick and easy weeknight meal that I'm sure you're going to love. Let's get started. Alright, as you see, we have our shrimp here, and I've already peeled and deveined them. I'm going to put together a seasoning blend that is going to be really awesome, and then we're going to grill them. Okay, so let's take a look at our seasoning for our shrimp. I'm going to start with a teaspoon of chili powder, followed by a half a teaspoon of cumin, a half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, about half a teaspoon of salt, some pepper, and about a half a teaspoon of olive oil. Alright, so all I'm going to do now is just mix all those seasonings and the oil all together, and then I'm just going to throw my shrimp in, get it all nicely marinated. Alright, so I've added my shrimp to the seasoning. We're just going to make sure everything is well coated. And what we'll do is we'll set this aside and get all the other ingredients together. Alright, so let's turn our attention to our guacamole. I've got 2 avocados, which I'm going to mash up in a bowl. Quick pro tip when looking for the right avocados. You want to take your thumb and gently press in, and if you get some resistance, then you know you have a ripe avocado. You may get some strange looks into the grocery store, but you know, at least you'll have good guac. Alright, so we got our avocado nicely mashed up. We're just gonna add the following. Alright, that's about good enough. Alright, so now we're gonna add, I minced up some fresh cilantro here. And to that, we're going to add some lime juice. And we're going to add some garlic. And some salt and pepper, just a little bit. And we'll just mix that up. Alright, so we got our guac all done. We're going to set this aside and we'll turn to our pico de gallo. Now, we're going to turn our attention to our pico de gallo, making it from scratch. Best way to do pico de gallo. So what I'm going to be doing is dicing up a couple of tomatoes. I got half of an onion. I'm using a red onion. I'm going to also dice up a jalapeno, as well as some cilantro and a bit of garlic. Alright, so as you see, I've got all my vegetables diced up, and I have my pico de gallo. I'm going to set that aside, and we can finish this thing. Alright, so now we're going to grill our shrimp. I got a grill pan set to medium heat. Throw some cooking spray there, and we are going to get ready to grill our shrimp. Alright, so shrimp has been cooked, everything is all set. Let's assemble this grilled shrimp tostada. Alright, so we have our tostada. The first thing we're going to do is add a layer of our guacamole. So to our guacamole, we're going to add our shrimp. And finally, our Pico De Gallo. And there you have it. Grilled shrimp tostadas with guacamole and Pico De Gallo. This is a really easy, quick weeknight meal. Hope you give it a shot.